Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find accounts and backup. Let's tap on it, and as you can see in this third section we've got whole Google Drive section options, and all we have to do is to simply tap on backup data. And as you can see, this is the very first step of adding the Google account, so just tap on it. And here make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required to fulfill whole operation. From this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, it's quite a cool option that you do not really have to enter the full email address. It should be hard to reset. So just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. Let's tap on next. Right now you have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, just tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so it can be of course you or your child. I will stick with this option, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the info, the details about the backup. So you can check that you will be able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Under it, we've got also the info that your device will back up data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage your backup easily. So of course, if you want to, just tap on turn on. If for some reason you do not want to back up everything right now, just tap on not now. We will go back to the settings, let's say. And if you will again decide that you want to back up the data right now, just come back to this Google Drive section and tap on it. And as you can see, we will immediately go back to this step, so you do not have to go through the whole operation of adding the account. So let's tap on turn on simply. And we've been transferred to the backup storage. Here you can check how much space you've got used. You can manage the storage, of course. And under it you've got the backup details, so you can check which data has been backed up. We've got also advanced settings, so backup using mobile data. I highly recommend to keep it turned off. And all you have to do right now is to simply tap on backup now. And we've got the information that our device is backing our data. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy A53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.